We're live. Now, all the noise you're going to hear is the builders that are working on the back because I'm getting it all replaced. Anyway, I'll go through the chilies that I've got and from the samples. So, I'll start. So, we'll start with this one here. This is a Reaper Cross, believe it or not. It's looks like a habanero, but it's a Reaper Cross. It's number one. I'll put these back in my sample bag. Right, as it's written. Now next one's the yellow, which is the big gold mama. So that's it there. Supposed to be gold, it's a bit deformed, as you can see. So, and there's another one there. And we've got, I think that's another one. And then we've got this one here, which is called the 7-pot Defcon. The Defcon that I've seen is a lot smaller, and so this is a Defcon 7-pot. Looks nasty. Got the dogs carrying on as well. Now, this next one is the mustard Primatali. Now, I did a review on the Primatali, on the chocolate and the red. The red was absolutely, yeah, it was nice. The chocolate, I had burned for a good 10 minutes with one chocolate. It was nasty. So it'd be interesting to see what this one does. Right, so we'll go to the next one. So the yellow one there is Dragon's Breath. So this one is Dragon's Breath. And I'm pretty sure that one is as well. I'm pretty sure. Looks like it from the photo. Yep, it is. So that's Dragon's Breath. Both of them. One's an orange and the other one's yellow, but yeah, you get that. Righto, let's continue. Now we've got down the bottom there, we've got Primatali crosses. Ooh. Now these are the red ones, which I reckon that were, the Primatali wasn't too bad, so Primatali crosses. And that's them. Oh. Nasty. And the last but not least on the is showing Jay's Peach Cross. It's a different colour altogether. So Jay's Peach, it's definitely not a yellow or a whitish. So it's a cross. By the way that it's curling over, to me that comes from Primatali. But anyway, I'll find out when I eat it. Anyway, I'll put these away and this is going to hurt. Anyway, that's going to hurt. Anyway, my apologies for the noise. Pull out a bit of hardware here. Do that. I've got some silverside here to eat as I'm doing it. Righto, let's have a look here. I'll cut this and see what's happening with that. So I'll cut that piece off course that's just been oxidised. That still a bit of oxidisation there. Ooh. As you can hear, a lot of noise going on. So we do have some black seed in there, which I'll have to remove. Bit more. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's still a few more up there. I don't want to get rid of all of it. You can see the oil glistening here. This is not going to be good. Anyway, so let's get that out of the road. What's the rest look like? Still more there. Hate that. Anyway, that's got rid of all that. There's a few there. Scrape all that up and get rid of it. Ooh. The smell is saying don't. That's what it's saying. Righto. We'll cut the black ones out of here. Got a cut on my finger. And it's just got in it. Oh my god. Anyway. That's me. Oh no, cut it. Don't be scared. Just from licking my finger, my lip's going numb. Am I scared? No. I'm very anxious. Righto. Can't see any more. Boy, yeah, there's more here. That's why you always cut open your chilies there, boys and girls. So any of the black seed you can get rid of. Righto. Righto. One. Don't know if you can see. Glistening, the oil. Might be able to. This one might be better. No. Anyway. Oh well. This is the yellow. I think it. Oh my god. Hurry up. Oh. Pretty sure it is the Big Gold Mama. That's what it's called. Cheers. Hey, Skip. Initially, not a bad flavour. It's not floral. Quite nice. Heat wise, tongue, Definitely getting the throat. Whole mouth now is starting to burn. Lips. Definitely got some heat. Nice. That's not a chili that I'm using on my sauce though. Very nice. Oh yeah. Get the cough out of the road, Mark. Ooh. It's building. It's building. Add a little bit of corn silver side with it. Actual burn still there, but it's nowhere near as potent as it was earlier. What I should have done was set the timer, see how long it takes to let's go. Oh, look at that. Put that down there so I'm not going to stab me leg. The actual burn itself. Yeah. It's starting to go off now. Very nice. Next one. Well, the other half. And I'll start the timer as soon as I finish eating it. Oh, my finger is on fire. I'm going to cut there. Oh. Anyway, here we go. Still got a burn on the tongue, a bit on the lips. Throat's just about gone. So yeah, it's not hangs around for much. It's just the initial. Anyway, excuse me. The second half. Yellow Mama, big Yellow Mama. Nice tasting chili, no floral. It's really got a really nice taste. Alright. Oh. Yeah, no, there's no heat as such. It's got this really nice flavour. Once again, I apologise for all the noise, background noise, but I'm getting the back done. Oh wow. Now it's starting to build. Look at that. No, let's go. I'll set it for 10. Let's see what happens. Back of the throat is really starting to burn now. Tongue, still had some burn there before. Lips, it's all the back of the throat though. Oh yeah. A bit of corn silver side with some lemons squeezed over the top. that also isn't helping my thing. What's that like? Burn wise. Well, now it's starting to build. Back of the throat. Slowly. It's actually getting to, I don't know, 5. At least a 5. It's hot. You got to watch with your saliva, but it doesn't catch in your throat. But no, that's manageable. It's quite nice. Nice flavour. Nice flavour with a nice burn. Still burning. Oh, first time the nose is running. Quite nice. Burning the throat isn't that bad now, but I am eating, so that might be lessening it down. Got a little bit of a shake up too. Yeah, slight shake. Still got a slight burn on the lips. Tongue's really, the tongue's the one that's on fire. Got a little burn in the back of the throat now. But initially I had a bad burn. Well, not a bad burn, but it was a burn. What do I think? It's definitely a hot chili. Nowhere near as hot as the primatalis that I had last year from Suburban Chilli Farm, the red and the chocolate. The red, that was really good. The chocolate was devastating. It was a good, I don't know, 8-9 minutes before the heat started to come down. The heat's going now. I've still got it, but it's not the 5 now. It's down, way down. It's about 2. I'll call it finished. That's it. Oh, excuse me. Now you're looking at 4 minutes or less for the serious burn. Really, it's only about 2 minutes. There. Now I've also got lemon on this, so you got to look at the lemons getting rid of the burn in your throat, of the mouth, because that's what really acidic stuff does. Yeah, and it's squeezed lemon. I just cut lemon 1/2 and just squeeze it on this. So really, my review could be faulty because I've got made suicide with a lemon squeezed on it, which could potentially lessen the burn. Well, great tasting. can't get over how good that tasted. I have to get on to Colleen from Suburban Chilli Farms and just let her know. I'll tag them. Have a look. Great chilli. Oh. Which one do I not like or want to do out of all these? Oh. This is one I'm worried about. That's Primatali. The chocolate one hurt. But anyway, I'm curious about this Reaper Cross. It's smooth. It's like it's crossed with the habanero. Anyway, I'll give these two a go as well. And then this one here, the chocolate. Just have a quick look at it. 7-pot Defcon. This one definitely sounds nasty. Any Defcon. And the Defcons we were using in the Chilli Championships in June last year were only about that big. And they were from Tasmania. So I'd be interested to find out where they got this from, the seed. But anyway, that's that. That was quite tasty, really. Really enjoyed that. That's beautiful. Interesting as eating this here now. I haven't had anything since breakfast, which was at 5:50 this morning. Anyway, I am starting to feel it go down there. So, I'll give this one a go next time. It's the Reaper Cross. It doesn't look like a Reaper. It actually looks like a habanero. But that's what Colleen's written. So, sample bag. Sample bag that'll blow a normal person's head off. Anyway, that's my review. I think that's the second one I've done in February. There's people who've got 6 or 7 up already. Anyway, yeah, that hurt a bit. Not too bad. Thoroughly recommend that chilli. So, Big Mama Yellow. Righto, that's it. I'll get off. That's 23 minutes. That's a bit of a rave, isn't it? Anyway, that's it. See you later. Thanks for getting on there, Sip. And if you're up tomorrow, or if you're around tomorrow, I'll be doing another, I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Anyway, I've still got a couple of yours left. I might do a couple more of yours. I really enjoy that first thing in the morning. Anyway, that's it. I'll catch you all later. Alright, bye. End video.